Hello guys, Samuel. Welcome to in today's video. I'm going to show you a new update because recently I've been using this, and after some times, and I don't even know the useful of using that app. I deleted it. That app is one. So today one of my brothers came to me and told me that, Samuel, have you heard about this app? I said yes. That sometimes ago I installed this, and I don't even know the useful that I deleted it, and told me that I should install it back. So I just want to share it to you about how you can use this app to earn money. So this brother gave it to me, and I just want to share it with you guys. Maybe you can try it out. And this app is called Pie and Ice. So what you just need to do with this, that every day when you come to this app, you can see welcome to Pie, and the other one is Ice. Every day when you come to this house, they are just going to tell you that you should, not that you are going to pay money or anything. You are not going to pay money. You are just going to click. After you are just going to come here after 24 hours, that 8 o'clock every day, 8 o'clock p.m. every day, you are going to be coming to this app to, like, to press this place. You can see this like a 0.01 is where that thing is going to be. Then you are going to click on it. Then you can see these two at the top is going to turn to 3. So by that you are going to earn money. So at the end of this month of next year, they are going to launch it, and you can mine it to money. So they are going to send it to maybe your Ethereum or your Bitcoin wallet, and this is how you can verify it here. You can see, you can click your profile here and connect it. So you can see Facebook verification connected, email address connected, and phone number connected, password, everything set. So this is how it works. You can see now that invitation code to share. So I'm going to post my invitation code. This sahqtv is the invitation code for the two. Just want to share it with you guys. Maybe you can like it, and I know that this app is going to do well if you really have time for it. So it's just a day, just come in there, like spend maybe 2 seconds to click that thing, and that is all. You still come back the next day the same time. So this how you are just going to, after you install it on your phone, you are going to request for your, maybe you want to log in, you want to sign in with your email or phone number. So you can select one out of it. So if you select phone number or email, they are going to send you a verification code that you are going to enter there. So I think uh we are using a phone that is, the internet is not strong, so I will suggest that you should go for phone verification. Phone number, the fastest one. So for the two, so you can go for that. So this is how you are going to earn. You can see, you can just go and find more about come this. To Chrome here. So I'm just going to show you guys. You can see. So I have determined that if I see any updates about how you can make money online, because people are very devoted, like they, anything online is like they have trust in it, but not everyone. We click Pi and ask. So I'm just going to show you, so that you can believe. You can see Pi network on Stellar versus I network on Cosmos. Which blockchain? You can see this, even blockchain. You can see this ice and this Pi. So what is the bit? Let me see. Is ice coin real or fake? Yes, ice is a real crypto. You can see now that this, no, there is no lie in this. You can see yes, ice is a real cryptocurrency. It stands for Intercontinental Exchange, and X cryptocurrency platform is known as Fact. So this is a cryptocurrency. Is Pi network legit? So there's about ice. Pi network is a controversial project that has been accused of being scam. There are many red flags surrounding the project, and I do not comment investing. So if you are interested in crypto, comment investing in more established project that have a better chance of sure. You can try this out, but not every blog on this is sure. You can see Binance. So Binance even will come to cryptocurrency, but if they say bad about this, I think maybe they are in competition. So that is, I don't believe that, and I don't know maybe if that is true. Or can say ICE network, ICE the realize for sure, can now see that this by an ICE price can see. So you can log in with your phone number, so they are going to request for your for the referral code, but if you are unable to provide this, you are going to lose you are going to get a message that maybe you are going to lose 2.5%, and you are not going to get bonus, so you are not going to get rewarded. So you have to input the person that referred you. So when I first did my own, I have to look for somebody that I've done it. So I use my own brother referral code to sign in. So let me go to ICE so you can see. So this is the app, this is the ICE. So like how you log in to, how you sign in to by this, how you are going to sign in to ICE 2. So I think this is legit, can see current balance 17.90. So I think they are any rate plus 2.50. So they are just going to any, can see if you sign in to my lead, they are going to give you a reward that your our balance is going to increase here, and your earning rate is going to increase also. Those that is why the importance of referral. But if you are unable to provide anything, I don't think you are going to grow like that. So you have to provide one for you to grow. Can see, let me click here. Can see this is my team. So you not have any team if you can see. You not have any team if you do not invite anybody. So this is my team now. I can see Ethereum address. So I think this app is legit. So this all what you can do. I've done all this, and I can confirm that I should give you a try. Maybe by the end of this year, you should just look what is going to look out, and maybe everything is going to work well before the end of this year. So you these updates, maybe you can work it out, and I think this is going to work. If you give it a hard work, going to work well. Like come a day, you are just going to click the bottom here, like you are going to click here every day, like every 24 hours. You are just going to pile or mine is any one day. So that's about this app. So you can check others of my video, like the end screen of the video that you can watch, like how to make money online, like just way to make money online, how to verify your pioneer account and all that. So the end screen is popping out now. Click on that, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.